Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Logan and I create design tutorials and I also offer support to fellow creatives. Today I want to talk about my favorite program to use, which is Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is the go-to software for graphic design. I feel like we all know that it's great for logo design and posters, but I want to dive deep and give you additional ideas that you can utilize for your own purposes that might not be as well known. So whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner who's just trying to learn more about the program, this video is packed with niche ideas that are perfect for incorporating into your life or your small business. If anyone is interested, I also have a free Adobe Illustrator resource guide that you can download below in the description. Let's get cozy, grab something nice and warm to drink, grab a notebook, pen, and let's explore 10 unexpected ways to use Adobe Illustrator. Before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe below and hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on my latest videos. Let's get started. Number 1, creating custom patterns. With just a few clicks, you can create custom patterns that can be used for packaging, textiles, fabrics, wrapping paper, wallpaper, your personal branding. If you have a business, it's a really great way to add a personal touch to your products or create a memorable gift for friends and family members. You can create a seamless pattern by experimenting with different shapes, different colors, arrange how you want them to look until it fits your style. You can actually just sell the individual patterns themselves, or you can put your patterns on different products and sell that for passive income on sites like Etsy and Shopify. You can create a Redbubble account. There's so many different products that you can put your designs onto. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a separate video tutorial on how to actually create these patterns. Okay, number 2 is designing infographics. Infographics are becoming extremely popular because it presents large amounts of data in a visual way that is much easier for people to understand. With vector tools, Illustrator makes creating clean and scalable infographics super easy. Whether you need to create visual data for a presentation or a report or a social media post, Illustrator allows you to create really compelling and professional looking infographics that communicate with your audience. With the graph tools, you can easily input your data and customize the appearance of your charts and graphs. You can adjust colors, you can adjust fonts and styles to match your brand identity or design aesthetic. And then you export it as a JPEG, a PNG, or a PDF. That allows you to share your designs across different platforms, whether it's for a business presentation, educational material, or social media content. They grab attention and they are really good at conveying complex information in a visually engaging way. Number 3, building icon sets. Icons are known for conveying information quickly and effectively. You can craft unique icons that are tailored to your specific needs, whether you're designing for a website or for an app or a presentation, or maybe you just want to make like your own Instagram highlight covers. You can use Illustrator to bring your icon ideas to life. Maybe start out by sketching your icon designs to brainstorm what you're looking for. Use the pen tool and shape tools to create your icons as vector shapes. Take advantage of features like Pathfinder and combine and modify your shapes. You can very quickly create an entire icon set. Once your icon is complete, make sure that you're saving it in a format that preserves its scalability, such as an SVG or an AI file. That way, if they're displayed on a small phone screen or a large billboard, they're still going to appear very crisp and clean. Number 4, designing t-shirt graphics. Everyone loves a good t-shirt design. It has evolved over the years to branding for an event and getting your business name out into the world. Or maybe you want to create a print-on-demand side hustle where all you have to do is upload your design and then a third-party company actually takes care of all the inventory and the shipping for you. With designing t-shirts, the research part of it is absolutely key. Look online for best sellers to draw inspiration from. Strong typography with clever sayings almost always do well, along with trending designs and seasonal art. Export your design in the appropriate file format, such as a PNG or a JPEG. This ensures that your design retains its quality when transferred onto the fabric of your t-shirt. You can send your design off to your preferred printing service or use a Cricut and a heat press machine to actually transfer it onto your own custom t-shirt. And number 5, creating digital illustrations. Illustrator is great for artists that want to transfer their artwork or sell digital downloads of their physical designs. You can easily create passive income from selling digital copies of your art. If you are enjoying this video so far, I'd like to just give you a friendly reminder to like and subscribe below. On to the next one. Number 6, making animated GIFs. No matter how you pronounce it, GIFs, animated GIFs have become a popular and engaging way to convey ideas and messages with eye-catching graphics. Start with a static, non-moving design, then create your individual frames on separate artboards within the same document. Whether it's a bouncing logo or a rotating icon, plan out the sequence of movements that you want to achieve, frame by frame. Once your frames are ready, you can export the artboards as PNGs and bring it into Photoshop to save it as a GIF, or to stay in Illustrator, you can get a plugin like GIF Studio from Creative Cloud. Number 7, designing custom fonts. Custom fonts can add a really unique and personal touch to your designs. You can create your very own font from scratch. Personally, I like to sketch out my letters on either a sheet of paper or in Procreate. Once you have the letter forms the way that you want them, use the pen tool to trace it. Experiment with different styles and weights to create variations of your font. You can either manipulate the letters individually, or you can use a purchased extension like Font Self to actually create a font that you can type out. Number 8, crafting mockups. Mockups play a big role in visualizing and presenting concepts to clients. Many people are visual learners and can't imagine what something flat is going to look like. You can use Illustrator to create realistic mockups for products and packaging. Once you have your template in place, it's time to customize it with your design elements. Add your logo, add your graphics and text to the mockup. You can use mockups for showcasing your design portfolio or presenting professional concepts to clients. You could even sell your mockups for other people to use. Number 9, creating vector art for laser cutting. You can create intricate vector art that is perfect for laser cutting projects. Once you understand the requirements of your laser cutting machine and the material you're using, set up your document to match its dimensions. When creating your design, keep in mind factors such as line thickness, cut paths, etching details. Use the stroke option to adjust the thickness of your lines. Consider using the Pathfinder tool to combine and simplify shapes for optimal cutting. Finally, number 10, Designing 3D graphics. Create three-dimensional graphics to enhance your designs, anywhere from logos, icons, or illustrations. Simply select your shape, navigate to the Effect menu, and choose 3D and Materials, Extrude and Bevel to open up the 3D options. You can customize the appearance of your 3D shape and adjust parameters such as bevel style and lighting angle. You can also experiment with different shading and coloring options to add depth and realism to your 3D graphics. As you can see, Adobe Illustrator offers limitless possibilities for taking your designs to the next level. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and that they've inspired you to push the boundaries of what you can achieve with Adobe Illustrator. Please let me know in the comments if you are planning on trying any of these ideas for yourself, or if there's something that you would like me to cover in a future video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more tips, tutorials, and creative inspiration. Don't forget to grab my free Adobe Illustrator cheat sheet in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.